Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode on Jabra Speak 710 UC. And to do this, first you will need to power on your device with this button right here. Click and hold your finger over it. Then there's a Bluetooth button. Also click and hold on to it.
To connect Jabra Speak 710, go to the Bluetooth menu on your mobile device and select it from the list.
Now there's this command, and sadly there's no way to skip them, but we want to move to our phone as it mentioned, and then show the list of all Bluetooth devices. Scroll down, and here's Jabra Speak 710. Click on it and it should connect with your smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.